The shingle gauge is attached to the bottom of your roofing nailer. The distance between the gauge and the nose piece is adjustable. It is used to help measure the proper shingle reveal. The gauge can vibrate loose and be lost. It can be accidentally damaged if the gun is dropped. Replacing the shingle gauge is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the old shingle gauge from the gun. Now I can install the new shingle gauge. I'll slide it over the bracket and secure it with the screw. And that's how simple it is to replace the shingle gauge on your roofing nailer. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.